this? What is the problem?
Cheater?
I'm not cheating. What were you doing? What were you doing? Are we starting over?
Yes. You get nowhere with cheating.
If you would just give me the cards I had,
You cheated.
all 8 of them.
Go look at your cards. Give me this. No, you're not allowed to have this anymore.
I can't have the cards anymore.
What?
I can't have the deck.
No, because you cheat.
I'm gonna need to cheat again.
What are you bidding?
I'll bid 2.
Okay.
Ooh, that's not bad. Yeah, okay, I'll bid 2.
Do you only have 5 cards?
I have 6.
Okay.